After birth also we have to follow some things in especially spiritual parenting. In spiritual parenting, whatever we are teaching now with love and all we are teaching, especially after birth, try to put your baby in under the pyramid. We know all about the pyramid and all pyramid use and all, no? If you are keep your baby under the pyramid, always they are receiving the positive energy, so they will not cry for small small things. Nicely they will sleep. And the next one is, please play continuously music. When how much time is possible, please try to put continuously music, because we all know music benefits and all. It's activate the brain, and they improve creativity also. Once after the 3 years, whatever they are doing things, they will do in a creativity way. And next to that, all I told you already, communicating same thing only in same thing only we have to follow. Whatever we are doing before, if you are feeding means I'm feeding. If you are taking to bath, just we have to communicate, I'm taking to bath. Because before, if you are telling, they are ready to accept what we are doing. Other than that, they feel very confused, something is going on, so they will start crying. So if you before only 5 minutes, if you tell they are ready, they will enjoy that. Because we are also no something new place we are going means we feel very uncomfortable. Some we are
Yes.
feeling that negative energy. We will feel that. So same thing will happen for kids also. So please, whatever we are doing, we have to communicate before only. Next one is crawling. So crawling also same. This is also physical exercise. In crawling, after we have to make baby to reverse, and we have to give support to their legs. They can hit and they are going forward. So this especially this early first month we can do this. This gives especially build confidence. Individually, we are giving individually you can do any, you can do, because we are teaching independence especially.
Yes.
This we are seeing after, if we are practicing regularly, we are seeing after say 2 years and 3 years, they will do their own things and all. And the next is after delivery we are giving with exercise and all, small exercise. These are all physical, we are developing physical body and all. So next, after 15 days onwards, we can keep our baby in a small tub in that water, uh, because they will enjoy water. That is one relaxation and one a good exercise for them. And next, we can show flashcards and books depending on our interest. How much we pass, because always when they are small babies, they are ready to learn more because they are very pure conscious. They're so they want to learn something. Other than that, see small things, they will cry. See, if we are showing something, we are giving something, immediately they will stop, because always they are want to learn something. So if you completely, this is our if possible, how much. And once we teaching these books and all, after once they go school and all nurseries, immediately they will grasp. No need to we are for this is no need to more time to teach them. So immediately they will grasp all these things. So next one, after 5 months and all, once they will start sit and they will start walking, we can all five senses to uh, we can experience all five senses. One is touching. Always we have to some we have to tell a hard touch, soft touch, like this, cold, hot, like that. So they are very interested to learn all these things. So one activity also for them. So they will not get bored and they will not do naughty things and all. So always they are learning. And next to that, we have to beautiful pics and all, books and all. So and nice music. So anyway, always when they are sleeping, no, we have to keep nice music. The especially nighttime, if you are putting music, they will sleep without disturbance, without disturb. And subconscious mind also, they'll feel very relaxed, and they started doing creativity way after that. Okay, then next taste. We can we are all doing that. Whatever we are eating, we are always we are keeping their mouth taste this and all. This is also one good activity to taste. They will enjoy all taste. After that, they will eat all different food. Okay, smell. So these are all no. They will enjoy. They will learn through with happiness, especially in this infant education, especially this spiritual parenting. Mother is playing a major role. Once first 5 years, if you are taking your time, later after 5 years, no need to see our kids' behavior and everything. Because if we are hurry, always we are thinking how it is possible. Like that, always we are thinking, no,
Yes.
uh, known time, this and all.
Yes.
But after that, we feel very difficult to change our kids. Once if you follow all these things regular, so no need to do continuously. At least we can plan today I will spend with 2 hours. At morning 1 hour. Like that we can manage. See, we have some work means how we will manage. Like that only. First of all, we want to do all these things. We need a clarity, especially. Always we have to remember why I am doing this. So what this always once you remembering, we can follow all these things. Other than very difficult. 1 2 day, at least 1 month we are following, then again we are leaving because of surroundings or some situations and all. So
Yes.
immediately we have to again we have to remember. Always we have to remember. Other than that, if really some are very interested, they can do, they are doing all these things. Other than that, sometimes we have to push ourselves because of later no need to uh, spending more time with kid to that time very difficult to change. Because if you are teaching or not teaching, they will grasp through, seeing situations in society and family. See, suddenly they will see, we are seeing sometimes how they are speaking like that.
Yes.
No need to teach, but suddenly they will talk, suddenly they will behave. We are not observed sometimes how they are behaving. So, starting only we are giving a right atmosphere, right values and all. So later on, no need to see all these things. No need to put more time. Whatever they are doing with happiness, they are doing. And they're always doing in an innovative way. And they are very interested to learn new things. So once they are interested to learn new things, they will always brain will active, so they will give their best, obviously. Once they are active means they will. So if they are doing, if they are learning in a healthy and happy way, obviously always they are healthy. So like this only, I followed all these things. Same thing I'm seeing in my babies both. After 1 year, they're always they are very interested to do new things in a creativity way, and all they are not doing any see no see small things. They are not crying. If I'm telling, they started understanding why am I telling like that. So they're good concentration they have. If immediately they're grasping, no need to force more time to read, not like that. Immediately they started grasping. And I'm seeing these are all, and always they are very healthy. Always I'm telling, when you like, you do. That is the most important thing. Don't For mother and father, no need to do. Just when you love, do, then you are enjoying, then you are learning more through this. Like that, I taught my kids later. So this is up to 1 year. If you follow like this, after 1.5 year, uh, 2 years, we are seeing this and all. Next, up to 1 to 4 years, especially 1 to 4 years is the this is once we follow all these things, they will do after 1 year in once in pregnancy what I thought, and after delivery whatever we following. obviously they will do all these things. And in first 1 year, and once they start walking and all, speaking and no, we have to teach them things in innovative way, especially if they are we are things, especially if you are telling right A, uh, first day we have to see, one day we have to teach in a different way, especially one day with the sticks, one day like a different way, all whatever we have in the home. Just if you think we will get how to in innovative way, we can teach even ABC, fruits and vegetables, whatever we want thing we can teach. So especially that time practically we can teach them also, this is a apple, like this we can make, tell color practically, touch and see, smell, like this. Always if they are enjoying, they always, if once starting they enjoying the learning, always they are remembering, like that. Whatever we are, even maths or anything, depending on parents interest only, how can they possible they can in different way. So next one is the all taking to out in a nature. Once they start walking, most of them every day, and we have to take this really good. If not possible, at least weekend we have to take them, because they will enjoy the nature. By small age only they started enjoying the nature. Through nature they will take positive energy, they will take different new, always in the home also they feel very they'll feel very same routine things only they'll feel, no. So if you're taking out, they'll feel very different
Yes, they
feeling.
actually love to go out.
And the next one is sleeping sessions. So sleeping sessions, especially this is a very useful. Uh, Once they will, if we are seeing any some things in our kid, some we are facing some problems means, always through sleeping suggestions we can change, because sometimes they will not eat food proper, other than they will not sleep proper. Then through sleeping suggestions we can change that. These are all okay. These are how means after they sleep, no, when they are going to deep sleep, just you put nice music after 10 minutes. We have to give an instruction, we are eating very happily, like that. Whatever we want to see changes in your baby, we have to tell in a positive way, just like this. Always you are healthy, happy, like that. So continuously at least 5-10 minutes we have to continuously we have to tell. Then these instructions are going to the subconscious mind, and
Okay.
automatically that habits will change.
Wow.
So like this, no, if you at least 15 days or 1 month we have to practice, then we are seeing that change. No need to tell. See, generally we are what we are doing. If they are not eating, always we are telling to our parents or neighbors, he is not always not eating, not eating, not eating.
Yes.
So once you are thinking mother only, because always baby and mother one connection will be there. So mother only started thinking in a negative way, obviously kid will not change, because that energy is giving again to that thing. So if you are telling to others also, they are also giving that negative energy, so kid will not change. If once you start thinking in a positive way, so first you have to think why he is not eating. So just first we have to think. Then immediately mother will know about kid why he's not eating, like that. So then once you start thinking in a positive way, please stop to tell others also. If you are telling negative way, just we are thinking we are sharing. But obviously they will also think in a, he's not eating. One negative energy here, one negative energy. Obviously kid will not change. Same thing you only repeat. So
Oh.
once you start thinking in a positive way,
Mm.
obviously, so if someone is asking us if we are, but he is eating like that, if you tell, obviously they will also think, he's eating.
Oh.
Then automatically kid will eat. This because that positive they are receiving, we are seeing that change. So same thing, whatever. So if they are not reading, no need to tell to everyone he's not having concentration, like that. Just you first to try positive thinking. He will eat, he will get concentration. Like that, first you mother have to think in a positive way. Some mothers also asking, just you tell, yeah, he's good only, he's fine. So obviously they will also think positive, yeah, he's fine. So then obviously kid will do, that is only miracles. Obviously, no need to force, do this time, that time, do this one,
Yes,
that one. No
ma'am.
need to tell all these things. So
Mhm.
first mother have to, especially in spiritual parenting, mother is playing a major role
Oh,
because especially first 5 years, mother is giving more time. Obviously, kid will grow like anything after that. No need to see that time, no need to thanks and all. So please, mothers, give time to your kid. We are seeing wonders in them. So same thing, if you're at least try to follow something how much possible. On the end, first we have to carry a one. If you first generally we are thinking we are very busy. So some is for some only possible. How can we have so many commitments like this? And we are always in a that thinking only. We are staying always. So once, if you're really interested, just give first start thinking. I want to practice this. I want to something. You give a positive. First, you start thinking in a positive way. Automatically, it will happen. Once because continuously one sankalpa only. Always we have to think in a positive way. So I'm really interested. I want to follow this. Obviously, miraculously situations will change. Obviously, we started putting some time to them. So same thing, just first positive thinking is the very important, especially mother. Whatever now we discuss, if a father also person too good really, because mother and father is now balancing these two things. Same bonding will get baby to mother and father. Generally, we are all always we are generally we are thinking mother only more attached to baby. Always daddy no some. So if you are doing all these things, obviously we are getting that same relation.
yes,
So once these, first of all, we have to think in a positive way. I want to do. Other than that, if you are really sometimes we are forgetting, just write on the paper. Please stick on your kitchen where you are living more. I want to follow the spiritual parenting. So once we are seeing, immediately again we are thinking, no, I want, so I want to do this. So after some days, at least one or two you started, maybe you will started implementing all these things. So next one, give importance to your kids' feelings. Generally, this is this generally we thought they don't know anything.
yes,
So what parents have to tell they have to do like that only always we are thinking
yes, ma'am.
because that's a very they feel inside always one first we are thinking they don't know anything. Once we are thinking we are telling means always that same they will develop means I don't know anything like that only. For anything they can't go forward because immediately any new situation they can't forward because immediately I don't know anything. No, how can I will do like that?
Mhm.
So they are not going for just starting only. Just give some importance. Anyway, we are cooking. Just ask them what today you want to eat like that. They feel very happy today. Amma is doing for me like that. So if any places, anyway we are going, okay, one day just you ask your kid where you want to go. So they'll feel so amma, so parents are giving to importance to for us. Same thing they will also do after that. How we are behaving now. Same because for starting only we are giving that we are teaching that importance to uh, uh, giving respect to feelings and all. So once they are grow, they started giving importance to for us, what they will love, where we have to. So these are all, see whatever see through surroundings only up to before 10 years what they are seeing. So through they will develop one emotions in they believe they will develop beliefs and emotions inside. So no need to wear t-shirts. Simply they will observe and they will see, they will know mother is always, see some, they are seeing no surroundings and in the home, they own, they develop some beliefs and their emotions. So after that, very difficult to change all these things. Once starting only, we are giving a right thinking and right environment and right spiritual knowledge. No, so later on they will follow these things only rest of their lives. So one more important thing, whatever, see, first thing, we all know about, see, once they will know their spiritual value, whatever they are doing, with enjoy they are doing. So after 11 years and all, they'll get a good concentration. Always they are doing their things in innovative way, and they can take their decisions their own, and clarity, with clarity they are taking decisions of this. So that time always no need, we are no need to force this is good, this is that, like that. So they can take their own decisions. Once they can take their, they're giving their best, always with the happiness they are doing. So they will go more forward fastly. So one situation only, they are not wasting their time. They're not getting struggle. So nicely they are going forward and they will explore more. So especially that's why, so we are, especially that's why we have to do all these things. In first 5 years, if we are doing all these things, really later is seeing miracles only. Next one is patiently we have to explain everything. That's the also very important. Generally, if you are telling, sometimes we are telling in a, they are not understanding. We are starting telling in a something, in a wrong, not wrong way. That according to that time we are telling this like this. So that's a very wrong. We are only giving the wrong knowledge to them. So they will build and they will think that only, they will follow that only. So later on, difficult to change again these things. That time again, we are putting time. Why my always he is believing this only. I'm telling, but he's not
Yeah.
accepting like that. Because starting only, we are teaching that only. No, same thing. They are doing all these things.
Mm.
So especially in spiritual parenting, same I followed this. What I don't know now I discuss.
Yeah.
Same I followed to my both kids. Really, I'm seeing miracles. No need to force. Fast, they're grasping, and they are not spending more time in studies and all. They will
Mm.
read fast, and they'll get more time to do more things, more
Okay.
activities they are doing. So
Mhm.
especially, I'm telling, do this only, do that. Whatever you love, please do that. Then only you will get. First important is your inner happiness is important. What you are doing. So if
Okay.
you're, once you feel that you are giving, you're enjoying, that is the more important. So like that only I thought my kids. So
Mhm.
they are also doing everything in a best way. Always my second kid is very active,
Oh my
very
God.
whatever she's doing, she have a very clarity. Whatever she's doing, very innovative way she's doing.
Uh,
Really, I'm very happy to follow this. And one more thing, first of all, parents have a patience, especially energy also. At least mother have to do 1 hour meditation daily.
every day.
Then only she will get energy, she can follow all these things. Mother always have to understand why I am doing this. That's a very important. And at least 1 hour she have to do meditation. Meditation, we know benefits and all.
Yes.
So that gives a positive energy and inner happiness. And once you, so one more thing, when you feel very uncomfortable and all, just do meditation.
Okay.
Just do practically sometimes.
Mm.
Obviously, once 1 2 times we practice, definitely we are noticing the change. So
Mm.
you can't leave that. So everything what we are knowing, no need to believe. Just try practically, then only we are not leaving. So these are all meditation, these are these are all we can't show out.
Yeah.
If you are doing only, we know all these things.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Like you have explained us from the scratch till the end, like how to become a mother, how you have to deal when you are pregnant, and after the birth of the baby, how you have to take care, and again till the age of 4, 5, and right now, even though they are 10 years, 20 years, how to take care of the kids. The main basis is like when they are in the inside the womb, we have to train them. That is really amazing. And madam, all the viewers also might be like me who want to be desperately becoming a mother. This matter is very, very useful since we can also welcome the babies who are there to get birth. That is really awesome, ma'am. And one small question, like what is the importance of mindful feeding to the children? How can we feed them mindfully? Importance of mindful feeding. Because
Uh,
they won't eat, they will be crying, and the mother will be
especially
feeling
that
so.
no,
Yeah.
once they are not in inner, they are not happy. Obviously, they will not eat. For
Okay.
that, especially,
Mm,
full, always we are also busy. So no, we are giving some toys and you play like
mm,
that only. They are not getting inner happiness.
mm.
Obviously, that time they're not eating. Really, I did practical this. So
Okay.
once they are happy, automatically they start eating food and all.
Oh.
So for them, mother only know each kid is different, especially
Mm,
mother only. So how they are. So try to so whatever I thought, no, teach innovative way some activities and sometimes in take parks, even beaches and all,
mm,
playing with water and all. So these are all no. We know how kid will be happy. So if you are doing that, automatically kid will start eating food and all.
wow.
At least one, two, try. One, two things. No need to see every day, no need to do all these things. That is the at least weekly, at least 2 to 3 times.
Mm,
This is first of all, at least for a day, we have to do what they love, at least 1, 2 activities.
oh,
Through that, they'll feel very happy. So
oh,
rest of the time they'll play their own. No
oh.
need to always do this and all. So
Because some
simply
of the kids will be keeping food here and they'll not be chewing, they'll not be eating, they'll be
through
they
sleeping
want.
suggestions, we can heal this one.
Okay.
Through sleeping
Madam, does
suggestions.
they really work? A question. Does they
100%.
really work?
100, yeah, 100%.
Oh,
100% is work.
oh my God.
Yeah.
We actually think
So,
that babies don't know anything. We should only take care of everything, and they don't know anything. We should feed them. We don't know that they are able to listen also at that.
no, no, no. They,
Mm,
they can. So that's why. So first, what we discuss, during
yes.
pregnancy times, at
Mm,
least 1, 2 hours meditation. Anyway, that time we have a more time. We are in the rest only, no. So that time, please utilize your time in a quality way. So 1 hour meditation morning, 1 hour evening, 1 hour, and listening continuously. No need to listen. What first of all, whatever we love, that we have to do that time. So then only we are in a happy mood and
yes,
in
ma'am.
just in a, we are getting a happiness. So
Yeah.
automatically we are happy. Baby will be going in a happy way.
If we are happy, baby will be happy. If we are sad,
Obvious,
baby will be sad. If we are
obviously,
angry, baby
always
will.
we are connecting, no, with the
Yes, yes.
baby. So they will feel that vibration and all negative, positive vibration. If you are very sad, no, immediately baby inside feel that negative vibration.
Okay.
If you are in a think in a positive way, obviously baby will feel the positive vibration.
Wow.
So if we follow all this, especially after that music, in
Hmm.
food also I told you now,
Yes, yes.
just to
I'm
take
thinking.
and just ask yourself, and anyway we are eating, that gives really a positive energy.
Yes,
Even
ma'am.
baby also observe the nutritions in a proper way. Our body also observe. See, simply see we are doing today is there who will do all these things. Whatever we are eating. Some generally we are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
So, so that we are not. If we are eating like this, also body will not observe.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So just anyway we are doing.
Mm.
Just morning only. Just ask yourself anyway. Cooking time today. What I love to eat. Then you cook.
Okay. Mm.
That's really giving a positive energy also. After food, we are not feel uncomfortable. Generally, some food we are eating, after that we feel uncomfortable.
Oh.
So if you are taking in a like this, we are not feel uncomfortable. We feel very light,
Yeah.
energetic.
The key takeaway from this session is being positive and being patient in order to become
Yeah.
a mother.
And one more thing,
Mm.
in especially during pregnancy time,
Mm.
what we love, we have to practice. We have to do. At least somebody likes music, somebody likes
Okay.
painting, something that also giving. See, first of all, music and meditation, taking right food, walking in the nature.
Mm.
These are all giving positive energy
Mm.
and happiness, and these two always keep us active full day,
Okay.
keep us active. So
Mm.
if you are active, obviously inside the baby also growing in active. After that we are see what I'm telling now we can, after delivery they are very active.
Mm.
After 4 years they will grasp very fastly, they will grasp whatever they're doing, no, very active way they're doing. No need to no need to that time just do we are all, no need to force that time. Obviously they are only taking initiation, they will do.
Mm.
They will do. See, I'm telling you, whatever we discuss, not that and all. If
Yes.
really, if we do practically only, we
I'm
know all
thinking
these
that
things.
this whole session is especially for me.
Okay.
I'm getting connected with you.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, this was really amazing. We have gained lots of inputs from this session, like from inviting the soul and from pregnancy and how to raise them. Really, they help everyone to grow their kids as super kids, and
So
everyone wants their kids to be super kids.
obviously, no, all mothers wants that only.
and
Yeah.
yes, ma'am, and these are the basis points to make our kids as super kids. And really, ma'am, thank you, Rajeshwari, ma'am. We are really humbled for your presence, and thank you for joining the